Over the furniture buying guide. One, it's time to bring some new life into your home with new furniture. It's important that you know what you are getting into. If you are craving the warmth and style of wood, going custom is a great way to get exactly what you want, and a piece of that will last for decades, which means significant savings down the road compared to ready-made purchases. These are some of the things you should know about custom furniture before you take the plunge. Type of wood. Before you decide, it's important to understand the different qualities of wood used by a furniture and whether or not they will meet your needs. Oak, maple, pine, cherry. Stability. Before you buy anything, you should ask about how the pieces was constructed and what kind of joints the craftsman used. Look for pieces that were constructed using either double joints or mortise and tenon joints, as these are the most stable and secure than battered or metered alternatives. As far as chair legs go, joints should be squared off with diagonal blocks to prevent the chair from shifting when weight and pressure are applied. Delivery. Many big box furniture stores recoup the cost of big discounts when it comes to delivery, since many customers treat it as an afterthought. Don't neglect it. Once you have bought something like a sofa or long dining table, you are going to have to get it home somehow. Our delivery service is reasonable priced in addition to being guaranteed or insured, so you don't have to worry about anything is damaged during delivery. Time. Great wood furniture takes time because it's made to order, using the materials, stands, and dimensions you want and built to last with solid joints. Generally, we take about 8 weeks for more custom orders.